Hope you guys are doing great today. I'm here with another video. In this video, you will learn how to share a folder with another user in Office 365. In this easy to follow tutorial, whether you want to give a user access to your email, calendar or a specific folder, this video will guide you through the process in a simple steps. What you'll learn in this video: how to share a folder using Outlook on the web, how to set up a permission for a share folder, managing access level, tips for troubleshooting folder sharing issues, perfect for beginners and professionals. This guide ensures smooth collaboration and secure folder sharing with the Microsoft 365. So let's jump over here and take a look. I'm here onto the screen right now. So you can see that over here, this is what my Office 365 account over here now. So under the folder, I'm going to create the new folder here. So let me give the name of that folder. For example, this is what the HR folder. I can save that folder from here. Okay, from here I can share that folder. Let me delete this first. I can test. Let me share the folder with this user. Okay, from here we have a permission level. From here right now this user had no permission. There's several permission from here. Either this user is going to be publisher, editor, author, reviewer or contributor, whatever it is. So let me give this user to the editor rights. From here I can click OK. From here, okay, let's jump to the another account, which is going to be the test account. You can see over here, this is what the test account here. So from here I can click from here and then I can add a share folder. Okay, from here what should I type here? Either who's gonna be share that folder. Irfan is share that folder with someone. Okay, you see, this is what under my name that HR folder is going to be appear here. This is what it is. So if Irfan is going to be put some files on that folder, so it's mean that this guy, test user or whatever the name is going to be that file and folder is going to be appear here on that folder. For example, the emails, for example, that for that files which is going to be important for that HR. So, and one more thing that I'm going to be share with you. For example, I can create a subfolder under here under the IT. You can then save that file. You can view that. For example, under HR there is a IT folder over here. So this is what the scenario for the sharing folders on Outlook and 365. You can do the exact same with your Outlook, either it is the 365 or the normal Outlook. You can use it on your computer. So if you have any kind of question related to the folder sharing, or if you feel any kind of issues with the folder sharing, you can get back to me. I am happy to assist you with all these kind of issues. Thank you very much for your time.